Hey guys, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCinformer YouTube channel. We're out at the new field today, and we got a new plane. Wes, what is this?
This is the Velocity from FLIGHTLINE.
Velocity from FLIGHTLINE. Now, I haven't seen this. I mean, I saw videos, but this is my first time holding it, so Wes set it up for me so we could just fly it around and I could kind of get used to it. This is my first time seeing it, so just looking at it, it has this really nice scrape rail underneath, which is cool because it's a belly land airplane.
It's optional. You glue that on if you decide to.
It's optional. Okay, yeah. So this is 4S 2200, right?
Yes, sir.
And it's a nice racer. It's a belly land airplane. It's got right on the top here, it's got these little fairings. And notice the servos don't hang out of the bottom of the wing, so you don't tear those off when you belly land. Looks like the wing goes on, Wes, with 4 screws.
Yep, and it's all hinged too. No foam hinges on this one.
Okay, yep, it has all mechanical hinges there. Looks like a nice spar. There's your CG mark.
Yep.
So it's got a good CG mark. Did you check it?
Yep.
All right, cool. 2 screws to get the tail on there.
Yep.
Spar through the center. All ball links. Can you get in on those so people can see?
Yep.
Those are your standard free wing ball links. Looks like you got your elevator in 2 holes.
Yep.
You got that okay? Yeah, that's probably so it's not so sensitive. And we'll show you the battery tray after, but looks like it's got nice cooling here. Again, this is my first time seeing this, and we got the safety on it. How rigid is the wing? Wing's pretty tough, huh?
Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of flex to it, but you know, you'll enjoy the way it flies.
Okay, it's got a little latch.
If you push this into 6S, I think you might have problems with the wings, but on the 4S battery, you should.
Can you do this on a 6?
No.
Okay, all right.
But I know some customers might want to go crazy with speed.
No, I just wanted to make sure that...
I'd leave it right on the 4S that it's made for.
I didn't want to confuse everybody thinking they could put a 6 in.
No. Some people sometimes decide to go crazy with these.
All right, I got my safety off now. Whoa! I'm just going to underhand launch this. This is the first time launching it.
Give her a good hard toss.
Oh, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Whoa! Yep. I think that's the way to launch it, Wes.
Yeah.
Now, this is a speedy plane.
But it doesn't have to be.
No. I'm just about 3rd throttle here.
Smooth.
Yeah, just trying to be smooth with it. Let me go vertical with it. Yeah, that afterburner's right up there. Holy smokes. Wow, okay. Yep, that can get downrange pretty quick.
Yep. Another fun thing is it has a reversing ESC.
Okay. If
you go straight up and then go, the bind button is your reverser, but at full throttle, it does some really funky stuff. Okay. Do it up in the air for sure.
Whoa!
Whoa! I lost it. There
That's okay.
I wasn't ready for it.
I think I'm going to go to a low elevator rate. It was a little sensitive for me.
Yeah, do it.
What'd you say? You got 100?
75.
75? And 60 something?
Yep.
All right, let's try that. Yeah, that's a little easier to control at high speed. Wow, look at that go. I'm getting older, Wes. I can't see that stuff. No, I'm kidding. I can see it fine. But you can lose sight of this thing quick, guys. So, you know, take it easy with it, you know. It can get out of range pretty quick. Yeah, that moves along. The wings do flex a bit when you pull some G's, don't they?
Oh, yeah. They won't break. They just have a little flex to them.
Wow. Yeah, a lot of speed, a lot of power. I wonder if that prop needs to be balanced.
Could. Might need to be tightened up.
I bet you if you balance it, it'll be smoother. I almost hit the ground there.
Saw that.
I was like, Rich, don't hit the ground.
It's a rental.
All right, this probably officially might be the fastest plane I've had at the field yet, the new field here. So let me see if I can do some kind of steep turns out front. Have you done that with it?
Oh, yeah.
To go inverted?
Half throttle, you can really just kind of rip it around.
Yeah. Does it fly inverted okay?
Perfectly.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, it's pretty neutral too.
Lost you again.
Well, sorry about that. Here I am.
There you are.
Yeah, it's a hard plane to film, folks.
It's a hard airplane to film.
It's small and fast. Do you have any expo in this?
Yep, 20%.
Oh, you do? Okay. That might be why I'm having trouble with it.
We can take it out.
I don't use, that's okay. I just personally, it's a personal thing, you know. I just don't use a lot of expo because I don't get that direct feel to it. It feels like a lag to me, but to somebody else, it's probably perfect. So that's all personal preference type stuff.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that rolls. Does a timer set properly for this?
Yeah.
Or?
You fly a long time. It'll vibrate whenever it's time to land.
I'm just power off. Man, I like it. It's nice.
It flies a long time.
If you like a speedy plane, this is it.
Yeah.
This does it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
It's controllable though, I tell you. Let me come down into my notch here. There's a notch in the trees right here. Oh, no, maybe not. Yeah, it'll get away from you if you're not used to it. Holy smokes. Yeah, I was bending the wings there.
Yeah, they'll flex a little bit when you really go to cranking on it.
All right, let me do an approach to landing. Oh, this slows down nice.
Oh yeah.
Holy smokes, yeah. Let me see if I can put it right out front here. There we go. Close enough. Field is still rough, guys. We're still working on, this is just our first couple mowings of the field. Let me get the safety on. There we go. I like it though, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, if y'all are looking for a speedy plane, small, what does this go for?
I don't remember off the top of my head.
Check it out at Motion RC though. But here, take a look. Here's the battery.
I think it's like 150.
And then it snaps out, right? It's got like a tray.
Got the tray.
Let me see if I can get that. All right, can you get in close on that?
Yeah.
I have not seen one of these. So there's the tray, guys. And you put your battery in. It looks like you got a little room to shift it.
Yep.
I might have puffed your battery a bit,
nah.
sorry. But look in here. It's got, if you can get in there, right there, there's a little clip there. I haven't actually put this in. Wesley did this for me. So let's see if I can just first time. And look, there's a little notch.
Yep.
Right there for the straps. Oh yeah, and there's a little plastic thing kind of down in there that this latches, this little thing right here latches onto. So that snaps in. Oh, it pops into place. That's it.
Super easy, right?
You got a little mess of wires. What do you got, a 6-channel?
Yep.
Okay, 6-channel in there and that's it.
You only need, I think, 4 though.
That's cool. That's a nice little setup. Not bad for a little hot rod, little airplane. Mm-hmm. And then it's got a nice little metal latch. That's pretty cool. All right, I like it. Let me see if I can snap that on. There we go.
Boom.
Velocity 950. Do you happen to know the KV on the motor?
Not off the top of my head.
Not off the top of your head? All right, go check it out at Motion RC. Look at the,
He's hitting me with all the big questions. I can't remember.
I'll put the link below so you guys can go to the product page and look at it because I don't know. Wes just brought these planes out for me to fly, so we're just doing a little flying with it. So
right. Wes is only 5 minutes away now, so
that's right.
You're probably going to see us a little bit more out here. So flying a lot more new stuff.
So do you CG this?
Yeah.
Upright?
Yep. And you just kind of balance
Okay,
it.
see, it's balancing a little behind that mark.
I actually have it, if you push the battery all the way forward, it's right on it. I moved it just a hair behind it.
No, that's okay. That explains why it's pitchy.
Yep.
Come a little forward on it, a little bit more, it'll make that solid.
Yep.
And you won't have as much of that. So.
And this is the difference between me and Rich too. I like mine a little more tail heavy. He might like his just right on the numbers.
Yeah, I like it a little more for stability. That's pretty cool. There's 4 screws holding this on.
We got another battery too, so we'll push that CG forward for you.
All right, cool. You want to do another one and fly it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, cool, man. Let's pop another one in. Do you know where it's at, or?
All right. Yeah, it's sitting over there.
Let me grab it here.
Here, you want me to stop the recording and keep it going?
You can keep going.
It's
Where's it at?
Right over there, on the top of the B-25.
All right. We can speed this part up.
Yeah, go on and push it to the front of the battery tray then. I've flown it both ways. I just like it that tail head.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Let's see what it goes. This time I'm going all the way forward.
There you go.
Let's see how that goes. Okay. Pop that in. There we go. Let me bleep this. Let's let it. It's got a stabilizer?
Nope.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay, cool.
It's just that smooth.
All right, good. I mean, I usually don't put stabilizers. I got plenty of planes with them in there. But if it doesn't need it, I just prefer to not have it.
I get it.
So yeah, get all that in there.
It's a little tight.
Yeah, it is a little bit tight in there. That's all right. Get to see this real time.
Slippery.
Yeah. There we go. All right, now let me see where the CG's at. Let's see where we're at. Do you guys put those in all your planes now?
Yep.
Yeah, that is about right on.
Yep.
Right on the mark. Okay.
First flight I had it there. I ended up liking it a little further aft, you know, and it's difference of pilots. I do tell everybody, start with it on the CG marks though.
Okay, yeah. Let's see.
It's safe there.
I think that prop needs vibration to be balanced.
We
You know
might
what I
need
mean?
to check to see if it's tight.
Yeah, maybe.
Haven't flown it a few flights.
Let's see. Yeah, that seems good.
All right.
All right, let's go.
What's the worst that could happen?
Let me clip in. That's right. All right, here we go. Ready?
It's not your airplane. Who cares?
Yeah, that's right. Seriously, you've been overhanding this?
Yeah, but you can underhand it. That's good.
I think this way is like really kind of the safest, and you know, because it's going straight up.
Yeah.
It's got the power for it. It's like a rocket.
It is. Whew, it's hard to film this thing. She's not.
Let me come on back here. Oh, much more smooth. I'm not playing with it now. Let's just power off. Oh yeah, it glides really nice. See, I was actually running out of elevator a little bit there. So that's because of the CG. Wow, that thing goes up there.
I lost focus on it.
All right, you get it back.
There it is.
Cameras don't focus on little fast things, guys.
Nope. It went to the moon.
Go through the notch there.
There you go. Shooting the gap.
We're all still getting used to the feel, even me.
Whoa.
Has anyone broke one yet?
No.
Not yet? All right.
Well, somebody's probably crashed one.
Somebody's gonna get a bonus to whoever hits that tree at the end first. Me and Steve got a wager going on that. Wow. It's got a really fast roll rate. And that's at full travel too, 100%. Yeah, baby. All right, let me do a slower presentation pass. I'm gonna go deep here.
That sounds really good to me.
And then go top.
Slower?
Just get you a top shot there.
Oh, beauty.
Wow, that thing rips. Speedy plane, man. All right, I'm gonna go vertical in the middle. You ready?
No, but I will.
Here we go. You ready? On 3, 1, 2, 3. Neck bender. Sorry. Not sure which way it's facing, but we'll see. Yeah, I like it. I think a CG forward is good for me. Yeah, you start running out of elevator a little bit though on that low rate though.
Right,
with it.
and when you come into land, you'll definitely want higher.
Yeah, but the stability is there if you want to go fast and low. It's definitely less. See, I just went to the next rate, the middle rate, and I was playing with the pitch a bit.
Yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Time remaining 1 minute. All right, let's come by one more time here.
Flies so good inverted too.
Yeah, it does. All right, I'll go to high elevator rate and I'll bring it on in. Yeah, you see it? Like I said, you can fly it however you like, but
Right.
I think that CG forward really is, that's where I like it best. Whoops.
Oh, thunk.
Well, you see, hey, I was just demonstrating our tall grass
Yeah,
for
that's
catching
our landing
planes.
or resting hook. Run, Forrest, run.
Here, let me do a redemption landing.
All right.
Yeah, I think launching it straight up is, it just
Tell you
gets,
what, that thing disappears when you throw it, though.
oh, I know,
In
it's,
the camera. Woo.
yeah. All right, a little abrupt, but okay, I'll take it. It was on the belly.
It's on the belly.
Tell you what, you think I got more? Let me do one more.
All right, do it.
30 seconds.
Yeah, it really needs that full elevator rate when you're
Oh, I got it, yeah, I just, well, it's actually slowing down. Whoa, whoa. Crosswind.
We got a pretty good
The
storm.
wind
out
just
here.
hit us from the left, right there. So let me bring it a little hotter than normal here.
There we go. That was a little smoother.
Take that. The wind is starting to kick out of this side. So without a stabilizer, that can get you a bit.
Good stuff, though, isn't it?
But yeah, this is nice, guys. Velocity, check it out. I'll put the links below for it so you guys can check it out. Wes, thanks for bringing it out.
Yeah, man.
This is cool. So
Thanks for having us.
If you guys like this, more, like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. We appreciate you guys watching us. So, got anything else to say?
No, man. It's good to be here. It's good to hang out. Thanks for having us out to the new field.
More videos coming, guys, to the new field. Me and Wes will be doing some more stuff out here. I'll be doing a lot more of my own, a couple motion stuff. So, stay tuned. We'll have some really cool stuff on here for everybody to see.
We saw baseball players coming out of the grass a minute ago.
That's right. Oh, yeah.
If you build it, they will come.
That's right. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Wes, thanks for filming. See you guys next time.